Today, we're tackling blackheads, what they are, why they happen, and how to fix them for good. What are blackheads? Blackheads and whiteheads are clogged hair follicles filled with oil, bacteria, and keratin. The difference? Blackheads turn dark because they're exposed to air and oxidize, just like a sliced apple browning. The big mistake people make. Most people assume blackheads come from dirt, leading to overwashing, scrubbing, and pore strips. But stripping the skin removes protective bacteria, making things worse. The real issue isn't surface dirt, it's what's happening inside your body. What causes blackheads? It all starts with excess oil production, triggered by hormone spikes, especially androgens like testosterone and DHT. But what's driving those hormones? Insulin and IGF-1. These increase oil production and clog pores. What raises insulin? Three major culprits: refined carbohydrates, sugar, bread, pasta, and processed foods, dairy, milk, cheese, even yogurt, omega-6 oils, corn, soy, and canola, found in processed and restaurant foods. How to fix it from the inside out? 1. Cut refined carbs. 2. Eliminate dairy. 3. Reduce omega-6 oils. 4. Increase omega-3s. 5. Try borage oil. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips on fixing skin issues the right way.